again, we're done, no? We're done the treatment of the jack. Napula po nyo. Good. Okay, we're done about 7 p.m. na. So 7 p.m. we're leaving na. So we're done on the ferry boat. Here's the time. Much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines, because we have an own airlines, that's Cebu Pacific Airlines, and the mother of all is Sinurog Mordigra, in which next week is the celebration of the Festa sa Lapu-Lapu here. Then, sa Tugitay man, pumapila kami. And tomorrow, bubalik sila ni Jackson. No? Malita ng utana sa family kung kailangan ba sa management. Really amazing. The world's amazing. And the patient is smiling yan, by which first pa niya nakatuway nga itong management, and documented niya is about improvement long after 1 hour lagi without improvement. And dango na ito in which nga, he continues siya for about 1 to 5, 5 to 10 sessions. 1 to 3 is about nga, maurag po na niya kaya sakitan siyang body by which we store the gasoline in the upper extremity and lower extremity, especially for the affected side, the hip, no, of the humeral, the femoral area on the right. Here we're riding here at boat. Again, we take a minute and it's the ride, no? So, say, different siya if magkuhan ta, mag-boat o sa jeep or kanang taxi, something in the on the road, no? You pass by on the Marcelo Fernandez Bridge or the old bridge, yeah. Thank you kay Marjing, no? Siya may nag-recommend which naging ganana muli ang foreigner of she is from Florida, Jackson, Florida, yeah. So he was amazed without treatment. We hope, no, nga ito yung documented magiging siya, may which lagi opposite ang foreigner, ang white, no, nga mas ganahan sila documented, kaya makita lagi na mali, no, worth it, raparapan, which of very, very, very opposite sa Filipino, yeah. Which lagi, nabawaan na educate sa Filipino, scandal, magod, no, I'm very sorry, yeah. Anyway, and samantala, sige na niya po, no, in which pinangga man na kong brother sa Filipino, which maybe Sunday, mausap ginauna-una, no, again. Today is the first treatment niya in which niya nakuha na nato to how do you do that, and making of Arwina Gumito ang explanation with the proper, yeah. And for almost 1 month, we don't have a patient by which nga itong ikuan ang lahat, sales and marketing, and also the papasabot na to ang Arwina Gumito nga tambal diri tomorrow. Again, thank you.